Hi luxurious queens, welcome back to Life with Lokie, and today I will be sharing with you what I got at the Paris luxury outlet mall, the Vallee outlet. We took a train down early that day, and because we have been there before, we made a beeline through to the outlet mall where we were spoiled for choice with all the brands on major discounts. Well, if you're new here and we haven't met, hi, my name is Lokie and I enjoy talking and sharing about luxury and shopping. I love chit-chatting about luxury reviews and experiences and doing product comparisons. So if you like content like this, then why not join my corner and subscribe to my channel and let's connect long term. Well, we were there in September, which is past the sales period, but they were still ongoing sales. From my last few Vallee outlet videos, you can tell that the shopping crowd has certainly returned in September as compared to the time I visited in April. This time round, there were queues forming outside the boutique and you had to be real determined to queue to get in. For me, I was not so determined, so we skipped the queuing and only visited boutiques that were free for us to waltz in. Guess what Missy here got? A little gift for my mom from Prada. Well, she's not into luxury bags and brands, but it won't hurt to get a little something, right? So, just can you guess? I have a little, take a guess. I got a little, let's see. Ta-da! A little wallet in perhaps Saffiano or Epi leather. Well, my mom doesn't really fancy loud colors and designs, so it's probably the safest getting this color and the gold hardware and the overall zippered closure, the card and coins compartment all in one is probably the most practical thing I can think of. Well, she isn't the most tech savvy of us all and uses cash and coins a lot more, so this wallet will be perfect for her with an overall zippered closure. So let's look at this purse in detail and find out why I'm so in love with it. And you know what? It smells amazing. Alright ladies, so I'm actually quite impressed that when I got this wallet from the outlet store, it came full set with obviously the receipts, but they also provided the paper bag and it came with a box. So it's a very nice box, which is perfect as a gift. And so let's do the close-up unboxing with you. So first up, this is how it looks. It has all the paper packaging inside, and this is how the wallet looks like on the inside. So ta-da! Underneath there's a lot more cards going on here, so let's just have a look. So we have this I think it's like a product information card. There's also this, what's this? So it's like a Prada's product certificate, blah blah blah, and all this. What is this? So more authenticity cards. This is just 2 pieces of cardboard. Alright, so now looking at the wallet itself, I'm quite certain. I'm not sure whether is it Saffiano or is it Epi leather, but I really like it that the grains are going this way, because when you hold your wallet this way, it's so smooth and you can actually feel the leather. It smells amazing. For the hardware, gold hardware looks beautiful. What's this little bit of fur going on? Okay, yes, so that's the gold hardware. I believe there's probably stickers on that, and this is the zip closure, right? And so let's turn it on its back, and it looks like this, where you can also put like your coins in here. So this is quite useful, I feel. Yeah, alright, so we will close that. Okay, it's a little bit rough, but I think if we kind of wax that area, it should be fine. So now let's just open the wallet and have a look inside. So on both sides, there are card compartments on each side, probably about, so there's a large compartment here followed by two smaller card compartments. So some cards in here, and let's have a look. So this is probably the product code of the wallet, made in Turkey, called the Piccolo Lampo. So that is the little card that's inside. And what else is inside? So it has a random, like a Prada card. I think this is like a make-believe credit card. Well, we can just assume that's Prada credit card. So yeah, so there's actually a lot of space for you to put other things inside apart from your card and coins. So other two card holders, so it's like a mirror image. And right in the middle, there is a center compartment as well, and it's zippered. And looks like there's another little card inside. And what is this? The certificate of authentication. And let's see, so there really is a Prada certificate on here. It's not dated. Okay, so that's quite nice if I were to receive a gift like this. Right, so I think all in all, this wallet looks really handy and very practical. I think my mom would love it. I think it's a perfect gift, you know, for a loved one if you're going to the outlet store. So you keep that in mind. It looks really handy. You can probably pop a phone in here as well. So yeah, it's nice. I like it. Well, in fact, my mom has already caught a glimpse of this wallet and she cannot wait to use it right after I've done this unboxing video. And yes, she was so kind to let me do the unboxing for you guys on YouTube first. In fact, I was quite impressed that Prada provided the full set, like how you would expect from a luxury boutique. For example, the box and the Prada paper bag, and plus all the authenticity cards that you saw earlier, as compared to some other brands at the outlet mall I've shopped at. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's little short unboxing from Vallee Outlet Mall, and perhaps you could find yourself a deal at the outlet mall one day. Thank you for joining me today, and do send me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to be connected to luxury reviews, unboxings, and chit-chats about luxury experiences and the like. Take care and have a blessed week, Queens. See you next week on Life with Lokie. Goodbye!